Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to look at a Northridge Fix digital microscope. The big question for today is whether or not it can take pictures and record video. And the short answer is, yes it can. Let's look to see how to do this. This is my microscope setup. There's the body of the microscope, the lens, the adjustable stand, the part I'm magnifying, and the display monitor. Here we have the microscope top and the HDMI and power connections. In the middle are two USB ports. In order to be able to take camera pictures or record video, we have to plug in a USB mouse. Once we're powered up, right-clicking on the mouse brings up a dialog. If we try to take a picture or record at this point, we'll get an error telling us to insert a U-disc. We just need to insert a USB flash drive. This seems to require a USB 2.0 drive. Be sure to power down the microscope before adding the mouse or flash drive. To take a picture, click on the camera button in the dialog. To record, click on the record button. While recording, you'll see the flashing record icon appear at the lower right of the screen. To stop recording, click the record button again and a dialog will appear showing the recording is being saved. Finally, let's quickly look at where the pictures and recordings are saved. These are saved in the image and video folders. We can click on one of the images and take a look at it. It looks pretty good. Next, let's look at a video recording. It looks good too. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care.